In this video, we listed the 5 best silent mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AUSDOM 98 Pro Keyboard. The AUSDOM 98 Pro mechanical keyboard combines versatility and functionality with its tri-mode connectivity options including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections, allowing simultaneous pairing with up to 5 devices. It features pre-lubed silent tactile switches for a quiet office environment, complemented by a gasket structure design that minimizes typing noise and vibration. This 97-key keyboard includes hot swappable switches for easy customization without soldering, ergonomic PBT keycaps for comfort and durability, and a single white backlight with customizable lighting effects. It supports both Mac and Windows layouts with anti-ghosting keys, making it suitable for various uses from everyday typing to gaming and business applications. Number 2. Redragon K70 RGB Keyboard. The Redragon K70 keyboard is a cutting-edge gaming peripheral designed for enthusiasts seeking high performance and customization options. Featuring a robust aluminum alloy board, it offers a stable platform with a sleek brushed surface for a premium feel. The keyboard supports true hot swap functionality, allowing users to easily replace switches without soldering, enhancing flexibility and ease of customization. Equipped with tactile brown switches, it ensures responsive keystrokes, ideal for both gaming and typing. Its RGB backlighting with up to 20 presets enables vibrant lighting effects, adjustable brightness, and speed directly on the keyboard. Supported by Pro software, users can further personalize lighting effects and macros, optimizing their gaming and productivity experiences effortlessly. Number 3. CORSAIR K70 Keyboard. The CORSAIR K70 Core with palm rest is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed primarily for gaming enthusiasts. It features pre-lubricated CORSAIR red linear mechanical switches that offer smooth and responsive keystrokes, enhanced by dual-layer sound dampening for quieter operation. This keyboard includes a multifunction rotary dial and programmable media button for precise control over volume and other media settings, customizable through CORSAIR's ICUE software. Its robust aluminum top plate provides durability and a sleek aesthetic, complemented by tough ABS double-shot keycaps that resist cracking under pressure. Additionally, the keyboard includes a magnetic detachable soft-touch palm rest for added comfort during extended gaming sessions, making it a comprehensive choice for gamers seeking both performance and ergonomic support. Number 4. Razer BlackWidow V3 TKL Keyboard. The Razer V3 TKL gaming keyboard is designed for speed and precision, featuring Razer yellow mechanical switches with a 1.2mm actuation point and sound dampeners for minimal noise. It supports RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors for immersive gaming and syncs with various Razer and partner hardware via Razer Chroma. The compact tankless layout optimizes desk space and is ideal for gamers seeking a minimalist setup. Fully programmable macros through Razer Hypershift enhance gameplay with customizable key mappings, while durable construction ensures longevity with a military-grade metal top plate. Optional features like Razer Snap Tap in Razer Synapse for further enhanced responsiveness during gameplay, providing a versatile gaming experience tailored to individual preferences. Number 5. Cherry MX RGB Keyboard. The Cherry G80-3000N RGB mechanical keyboard embodies classic design with modern technology, featuring original Cherry MX switches renowned for precision and durability. Designed for PCs, it connects via USB-C and supports RGB backlighting with over 16 million colors, enhancing visibility and aesthetics. This full-size keyboard ensures efficient office use with features like full N-key rollover and anti-ghosting, ensuring no keystrokes are missed during intensive tasks. Its abrasion-resistant, lasered keycaps and robust build underscore its reliability and longevity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a high-quality, straightforward mechanical keyboard.